In this video, we'll demonstrate how to delete your Spotify account. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to permanently close your Spotify account, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into this guide. If you've decided you no longer want to use Spotify and want to delete your account, I'll guide you through the process. This method works on all types of devices, including computers and phones. At the moment, you can't delete your account through the Spotify app, so open up a web browser. This can be any browser you prefer. Once in your browser, go straight to Spotify.com. You'll be taken to the Spotify site. Sometimes, it might redirect you to the Spotify web player. Either way, you can sign in and access your account settings. Once on the Spotify website, tap on the three bars at the top right, and then tap on Login. Log in to the Spotify account you want to delete. After logging in, you might be on the Spotify web player page. It doesn't matter. Go to the top right and tap on the gear icon. If you were redirected to the same Spotify homepage, tap on the three bars at the top right and select View Account. This will take you back to your Spotify account information. Now, tap on the three bars at the top right again and select Support. In the search bar, type in Delete or Close Account. Select the relevant option. Depending on whether you have Spotify Premium or not, there will be different links for closing your account. Follow the instructions based on your account type. Keep in mind, if you want to reopen your account, you'll have 7 days to do so. After that, your account cannot be reactivated, and the process to delete your data will be initiated. You can create a new account if needed. Read through the information provided about your playlists and other details. Once you're ready, follow the prompts to close your account. Check your email for a verification link. Click on it to finalize the account closure. And that's it. If you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.